Hey, it's Don Ferguson. What if home felt like a mini vacation every day? Well, welcome to my newest listing at 1375 Sloan Way in Ambler, Pennsylvania. Sun-soaked rooms, an open flow, and ceilings the height of giraffes. In the backyard, you can only have fun in, but you gotta come see for yourself. Come in. Now that's the vibe. If Sloan Way checks all your boxes, call me, text me before someone else grabs it. Talk to you soon.